Welcome to the project demonstration of agriculture drone with spraying with the help of this container. We are going to get the spraying, and also we are going to get the live streaming with the help of this ESP32 camera. So the main applications of this drone is, so it has a quadcopter which can fly, and we can drive that with the help of this RC controlling, and also we can get the live streaming from this ESP32 camera, and also we can do the spraying operation with the help of this fog mist makers, and these two will be controlled from the mobile phone application, as well as a night vision purpose. Headlight is there and video streaming to the mobile phone. So from the mobile phone we can control the headlight and fog mist makers, and from the RC we can control the direction and rotation as well as flying from this RC controller. So here we are using the 4 BLDC motors which are interfaced to the flight controller through this ESCC, electronic speed controller. Each BLDC motor interfaced to this flight controller through this BLDC motor driver, that is a ESC, electronic speed controller, and it will get the signals from this, receive the signals from the 2.4 gigahertz RC receiver module. This is the RC receiver module, and next this get the signals from this RF RC transmitter module. So before demonstration we should keep the battery under charging. So for that purpose we have provided this charging circuits. So connect this, so 2-pin slot and 3 cell slots. So connect this to the 3-pin slots, so like we shown here, right, on that. Now on the power supply to this charging circuit, so that it will get charged in a duration of around 1 to 2 hours based on the battery levels inside this charging circuit. So we can see the red light indicated. So when this red light indicated, the battery is charging. Till the green light on, we should keep the battery under charging. So and after that you can disconnect this. So after battery get fully charged only, we need to run. Already we have this charged one. And now next, install network analyzer application which is available in the Play Store. This is the icon of the application, network analyzer application. And after that go to hotspot settings of your phone and configure the hotspot name to project 8063 without any space, without any capital letter, and password should be 123456789, and security WPA2, and AP band should be 2.4 gigahertz. After this enable the hotspots, and now connect this. Okay, this is the connection we need to do. This is the main on off. So on this and everything will be settled, and on this also, then on this also. Okay, so now let us check with the video parts. So we can see the one device is connected in your mobile phone. Okay, and after seeing the one device connected, go to network analyzer application, options, LAN scan, scan here. So we get the 2 IP address. One is your mobile phone, another is our ESP32 camera. Click on that and open. Right, so we are going to get the video streamings directly from this, and headlight on, headlight off, and also fog mist makers. So initially for pesticide spraying, so total 100 ml of container is there. Just by rotating this we can fill this one. So right, okay, fill the pesticide inside that, and now so this should be come front side, right? Okay, so this arm for the 2 pest makers, and after that you can see the sprayer on. Right, you can see that the sprayer is coming now. Okay, the both sprayers are coming. You can see that both sprayers are coming and off. When we on that, the both will start spraying that, and when we off that, it will be off. And headlight on, spraying on. You can see that now the spraying is coming. Sprayer off, headlight off. Now coming to this is the part of video streaming as well as headlight controlling and spraying. And coming to the controlling part. So when we on this one, this should be 0 position. Okay, so come this side. This is the front side actually. Now it has to display here like safe. So when we place this one to this side is armed. You can see that. You can see on this one armed, and this light is getting switched on. Again check this twice. This is very gentle part. Disarmed. You can see that it is disarmed, displaying safe. Okay, now the light also off. You can see that now armed, so is on. So when we slightly increasing that, you can see the BLDC motor speed is increasing. So this is for disarm means it won't control now. And when like this, the light gets switched on and it will be controlled. Disarm that. This one for forward, backward, left, right, and this one for increasing the throttle, for controlling the drone height, means lifting and landing. Lifting and landing, and the left and right rotation is for the head rotation. Like this, it rotates. Rotation of this one will be done with the help of this. So let us check with the demonstration on the ground directly. Right now we can see that now it is in disarmed and we will do the armed operation. You can see the light got switched on. So I am rotating that. So whenever you want to try that, you should try around total open space without hitting to the walls. Right, see, control is much. And we can under the spray also. You can see the light on, hit it on. Right, you can see the sprayers also. It's continuously spraying that. So you can see the spraying. Okay, the pesticide spraying, the fog maker. So without wasting like directly water sprinkler, right, the fog maker is there. You can see that. And now again, once again, armed. There is no like walls and all. So once again, last pair will show you this.